Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Whatever I am, adhitam means studied. Already study has been done. Adhitam means studied. Whatever has been studied, let it be tejasvi. When I want, knowledge should be there. It should not that I forget. Oh, acha. What were the two kind of praman? What was upjeevi praman and upjeevi praman? Huh? What is primary? Acha, acha, acha. So whole life you will not forget now. What was the meaning of, you know, sad? Three meanings of sad. Don't tell. Only I know one meaning. What? To go away from class. Gati. Go away from class. Gamanam was for go to Brahman. How will you say that Upanishad Shabd has Dukh Nivritti and Ananda Prapti portion? Yesterday only I told. Two meaning of Sat, Vinash and Loosen are for Dukh Nivritti and Gati is for Brahma Anand Prapti. So moment thought comes, it should be flashing, yes. Brilliancy or intelligence, what I feel, is the spontaneous, effortless response of a difficult problem in a minimum time. When you say he is very intelligent, this boy is very intelligent or is bright, like you all are there. So it means there is a spontaneous. Why are you fooling us? Why you are not bright? Spontaneous, effortless response of a difficult problem in minimum time. This is called Tejasvi. And remember, in Tejasvi word, much is hidden. Tulsidas ji says, Binutap hoi ki tej bistara. If a person is kami krodhi, he will not be Tejasvi because that will bury your knowledge. You will say, I don't know. Sakale nehan mahata yogo nashta parantapa. So when a person is not having the quietness of mind, he is not able to bring the knowledge at will. The availability of knowledge at will is tej. The availability of the heard knowledge is tej at will. I heard, don't forget, I heard it. When did you hear? I heard 2 years back. Still you can bring it up. Yes, I can bring it. If not exact word, at least essence I know what is there. Because all knowledges are related to each other. It will be asked many things. So sometimes students keep on studying, past things are forgotten. So Tejasvinavadhitamastu, whatever I study, I should be knowing it. It will be used because this knowledge will be used. Problem here is, supposing you are a medical student. So medical knowledge is used when you are seeing the patient. Spiritual knowledge is used at all times. It is not at certain time. It is required at all times. And if you cannot bring it, then you will be big divorce between what you have heard and known and what you are doing. Divorce between knowing and doing is called guilt. I know a lot about that, but I do totally different things. So I will have two lives. One is the spiritual life, other is my real life. So Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Here there is a, in that book, in this book, there is a Purn Viram. I don't know this is there in the English one, is there or not? Is there? Is there? Purn Viram, full stop is there? Acha. It should not be there. It's one line. Tejasvinavadhitamastu mavid vishavahi. Because Purn Viram indicates you have to put a gap. There should be pause. Like if I have to chant this, you have to say Om Sahana Vavatu. Little gap. Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahi Tejasvinavadhitamastu mavid vishavahi. See, there is no gap between this. And don't have unnecessary gap. Bole Sahana Vavatu. Don't say like this is one word. Unless you are having belching, etc. So, so you cannot have a gap where gap is not required. Lot of discipline is in Sanskrit chanting. You have yet to know when you read this Meda Sukt. Therefore, we have to stop Meda Sukt because many were not able to chant. Om Yaschandasam Rishabho Vishwarupah. You will have a pause. Chandobhyo Damrita At Sambhabuva. Samendro, you have to have a pause. Samendro Medaya As Pranotu. Pause. You cannot say Om Yashchanda Samrishbho Vishrupa Chandobhyo Damrita Sambhabuva Samendro Medaya As Pranotu. अब क्या हुआ? थक गए. I'm tired. Rest I'll chant after having water. So Tejasvinavadhitamastu mavid vishavahi. What does it mean? Mavid vish. May we not hate each other, dislike each other. Why? Because when you come in the Gurukul system, problem can be. I'm not saying problem will be there. There's a possibility. It may be ruled out. What possibility is there? Because teacher is constantly telling you you are wrong here, you are wrong there. Why you were sitting when your eating was over in the dining hall? Why are you still sitting? You should get up when your food is over. Why you were mingling with the cook? Why you went inside the kitchen when going inside the kitchen is not allowed for everybody? Why did you go inside the kitchen and sitting there and eating inside the kitchen? But just mind you to justify. Ego doesn't accept I am wrong. Ego starts justifying immediately. But I needed water. Hot water is outside also. Kettle is outside. You can make tea outside. But what but? Keep quiet. Oh, one day is there. Second day again. What? Why you are sleeping in the class? Why you are not sleeping in the room? I slept late. Why you slept late? I don't know. Because we have lot of samskaras of the whole past is there. Why your notes was not given? Your notes were incomplete. Last 5 days notes were not there. Last 10 days notes were not there. So for everything you are a point. And behind the heart, a good teacher, he should have compassion only. The teacher's Shri essence is his realization and compassion. His abidance in the truth and his compassion. Teacher, good teacher. He should not be seeing the fault and telling. The intention is not to tell the fault. Intention is grow out of something. Intention of the teacher should be he should grow above it. It will give him pain. This problem, this habit will give him pain. Laziness will make you less qualified. Passion will give you less qualified. If you are not doing regular puja, you are not pleasing God. Intention is this. So the student may think all the time my faults, I am only bad. I am only bad. I am only bad only. I am not good. Only I have all negativity only. He only sees only how bad I am. He doesn't see any goodness in me. This may happen. So there is a probability that a student may think I don't like this teacher also. Achha. Teacher may feel that this also student is quite a case. I don't know where from this student has come. Neither he listens properly, neither he makes notes, neither he does his sadhana, neither he does his jap puja, neither he is in the class sometimes, neither he comes in the morning satsang, neither he is good in chanting. He is only good only for one, what for? Nothing. So, he is not putting effort anywhere. Where from this? So he may start this like, देखो बहुत pertinent prayer है. So both sides there should be no mental distance. The student should be convinced that teacher is telling only for my goodness. Communication is best where it is in the channel of devotion, understanding, love. And teacher should also think that one day he will also rise. He needs time. He will definitely come ahead, but he needs more time. Other thing need 2 years, he needs 2 births. That's the only thing. He is a slow train, but one day he'll also achieve. He will also become good as others. He should have that faith in the heart. Student may lose faith in himself, but teacher should not lose faith in the student. Sometimes student knows I am not that good, but he thinks teacher thinks me I am good. Therefore, to that image that teacher has in the mind, he survives with that image. He said, I'm not that good, but teacher thinks therefore I am. Because he feels therefore I'm also trying to be good as he thinks I am very good. So this relation should be there between the teacher and the student. Therefore it is called Mavid Vishavahi. Therefore good teacher is the one who doesn't, it's not that he does not, but he has lot of love also. He will scold also, he will shout also. But at the same time, it is all wrapped in the love only. You got my point? So there is lot of love. So he will say, of course I got what wrong I did, but I think he loves me also. This conviction of the student that teacher loves me should not go. And you don't mind to be corrected as long as love is behind your correction. You can correct me, you can do anything, but please don't leave me and please don't stop loving. This is the beautiful point. Think this is the student should think. And teacher also should think that one day he will also grow and he should not leave the faith in the student. Ma vidvishavahe. I hope it is clear. You know why prayer is there? Because these things are difficult. What was very easy, why will we pray? Oh Bhagwan, let me put on glasses on my nose. No, this is no prayer because this is very easy. Let me eat the food today. Very easy. This is a difficult portion. Because long-term relation is very difficult to sustain. Any relation when it goes for a long term is difficult to have. Short-term relation is very easy. Love for a few days are very easy. We met each other, we shared I love you card, he loves you and he loves you, she loves you. So, but to live for 20 years, 30 years, to sustain that relation in the same rhythm, because students were living for not for 6 weeks, they were living for 12 years, sometimes 20 years, 30 years together. But in house, husband-wife can't maintain their relationship. Brother-brother can't maintain. Father and children don't maintain. Mavid Vishavahi Om Shanti Shanti. Is it okay? Ah, all is fine. Or Shanti is there. किस लिए शांति है? Three Shanti is there. Three Shanti. Why three Shanti is there? They discovered that all the Ashanti is only because of three reasons. I wonder. All the disturbances are only because of three reasons. Well, all disturbance. Any disturbance will come under either of the three categories. What are the three disturbances there? First is totally beyond our control, technically called Adi Daivik. Totally beyond. Rain is pouring and pouring, and you can't stop rain. Only no government will. I will ask insurance to stop. They cannot stop. Or famine is there, or what is it called? Tsunami is there. What? That tornado is there. It is beyond your control. Earthquake has come. Totally out of your control. Second is not totally in your control, but little control is there. And this is closer. That was distant. This is closer. But snake has come. Huh? Because they were studying in the ashram, in the open, under the tree, etc. The buildings were not there. So all around, snake were also part. So the talk is going on, and the student was studying Vedant. That he said the rope alone is true, and the snake is not true, and the snake came. It happened once in ashram. It disturbed everybody. Or he was in meditation under a tree, and he feels something is wriggling on my feet now. And he caught up. Oh my God! There was a black snake like that. Now his meditation was over for a whole year. That fear came everywhere. If I sit, then again snake will come. Or somebody, now modern days mobile is ringing. Or small children they bring. This is Adi Bhautik. Little controllable. Or you are in the house, you are doing puja, and somebody knocking the door. You are closing and doing puja, supposing, and somebody is knocking, and you are seeing, and you are offering abhishek. How to leave that God? This is called Adi Bhautik problems, Vigna. And third, remember I said Drishta Pratibandh, Adrishta Pratibandh. And third is Vichara Vigna Pratibandh. So three Pratibandh is Adrishta Pratibandh, Drishta Pratibandh, and Vichara Vigna. Third is most of the time. That is called Adhyatmic problem. Mind is not okay. I'm feeling very lazy today. Today only you feel, every day you are like that. No, today I'm more. I'm feeling very lousy today. I just feel like sleeping. I feel like eating something very tasty. Something hot I want. Sure. Something very hot. Full of chilies. With nice chili chutney. When? You are thinking this in Vedant class. Kathopanishad is going on. And you are thinking of chili there. No, just I'm feeling. I'm not able to focus. When we were studying, problem was 8 o'clock evening had the dinner, whole night stomach empty, and morning class from 7 to 8 hush. And next was the kitchen. Kitchen was very parallel, and dosa he used to make. Whole ghee of that Just fragrance used to be in there. You cannot focus after 7:30. 7:30 to 8, what to hear? Adhyatmic problem. We feel time who need right? Time is not 1 hour, not used to pass. Sometimes you feel so hungry and you feel let us go in the queue, otherwise no other people. 70 students. And some students were very good in going first. Or attachment is there, anger is there. All these are lot of obstacles. Or I have lost faith in Upanishad only. Yesterday, therefore, I told about Praman. Or I feel, how long I'll be there. Same clothes I am putting on. Why to put on these clothes? Why can't I put on shorts? What's wrong in it? After all, everything is Bhagwan only. What's wrong? Why so much restriction? The mind is such adhyatmic. There is no fourth obstacle. Acha, now somebody is obstructing you to come in the Vedanta. Tell me. This is adhyatmic, closest mind. Second is adibhautik, which is little distant. And farthest is adidevi. Somebody is stopping me from joining the course. Adibhautik. ठीक है? I have developed ulcer and therefore I am not able to sit. Adhyatmic problem is there. Okay? जितनी भी problem कर लो. I got very attached to somebody. Adhyatmic. My father is not well, therefore I have to rush now back. Adibhautik. Acha. I have to earn money, otherwise I have continued that. I have to earn money. Adibhautik. Jitni vign hai, whatever problems are there are in these three categories. Adhyatmic, adibhautik, and therefore he is praying thrice Shanti is there. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Is it okay? Understood? Why it is required? Only I think I have all three. Rather more we can add 3, 4 or more. We can say Om Shanti 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 Shanti. Lot of Ashanti is there. Mother is also troubling, mother-in-law is also troubling, Adibhautik is also there. Acha, that rain came that day, it washed away my house, that means Adibhautik is also there. And my mind is such terrible that, Adhyatmik is also there. So you can chant this and pray. So when you say Shanti, 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 in that three disturbed area, you are just saying, God, quiet in this, quiet in this, quiet in this. Shantim Kuru. This is the meaning here. You create peace in that area. That is my disturbance area of my life. That is the area from which I have regular disturbances. Please quiet in this, quiet in this, quiet in this. Now you chant this with meaning. Don't chant mechanically. You started mechanically, it was good. But now bring more emotions and understanding. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhetamastu ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti 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 Shanti. This will go like that. In Vedic chanting, you will hear that. And don't say Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Don't say like that. When the Visarg is in between, half sha will be Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shakti. Okay, small things. Keep on understanding new things also. Now we will enter into main Upanishad. Please open the book now. We are entering into very beautiful and very popular Upanishad. Acha? What is the Upanishad? First mantra. What is the page number? 1. Page number 1. Page number 1. Please repeat after me. I should keep 1 or 2 books more later on. Is the Namika? So you can also have later. Om Shan Havai Vajashravasah Sarvavedasam Dadau Tasya Nachiketa Nama Putra Asa. Again. Om Ushan Havai Vajashravasah Sarvavedasam Dadau Tasya Nachiketa Nama Putra Asa. See, in this is a first Valli. How many Vallis are there? 6. 2 chapters, 6 Vallis. Each chapter has 3. Valli means section. Valli means creeper. Creeper is, around the tree. So this Valli will give, creeper is the Brahma Vidya, and it will give biggest fruit of knowledge. So this is the introductory portion. In this chapter, Vedant will not come. Vedant will come after second Valli, 2.17. Like Gita, really the start of Gita is 11th shlok of second chapter. So in this, there are 4 points mentioned in short in this particular chapter. First is glory of Brahma Vidya. Glory of Brahma Vidya. Brahma Vidya Mahima. Greatness of knowledge of Brahman. This is the first topic. Okay. Second topic is necessity of Guru. Guru Apeksha. Third topic is qualification of Guru. Guru Lakshanani. Anybody cannot be Guru. His name may be Guru. Guru Datta like. But really, Guru Lakshanani is there. And fourth topic is qualification of disciple. Shishya Lakshanani. These 4 topics are covered in 29 mantras. What is the total number of mantras in Kathopanishad? 120. And 29 mantras are in the first section of first chapter. So I will refer as, supposing I have to refer as second shlok mantra of first Valli of first chapter. I will say 1.1.2. Don't get confused what is 1.1.2. I will say 2.2.5. Second chapter, second Valli, fifth mantra. This much I can understand. Not a little. So this is the introductory portion. So Brahma Vidya Mahima, Guru Apeksha, Guru Lakshanani, and Shishya Lakshanani. These are the 4 topics scattered. You have to collect it. It is not in a chronological order in the 29 mantras. You have to collect those. Okay, this mantras are like this mantras are like this, these are like this. This is in short. Okay. Oh, very good. I'm very so proud. I'm hearing Kathopanishad. Don't be proud, be humble. It is said, Om Ushan Havai Vajashravasah. It starts with Akhyayika. What? Akhyayika. Story. Story to communicate these 4 things. They are using a small story to communicate these four things, what I said. Brahma Vidya Mahima, first thing. Guru Apeksha, Guru Lakshanani and Shishya Lakshanani. Sanskrit, this much I can speak. This much Sanskrit. In English also, I'm telling both also. Don't say I'm speaking too much of Sanskrit. Both I'm saying. You should hear such Sanskrit words. Because in university, you don't hear any Sanskrit. In university, I don't understand English also there. So, oh, I don't know what that teacher talks. They bring some teachers from outside actually. No. And he is not able to pronounce the local style of English. So sometimes students struggle. He will tell better. Don't worry. What is that? Om. Om is like I'm starting it. Like you start hello. Like is a call bell. You go to the temple and say, you ring the bell as if I'm coming, I'm here. Om, hello. You start the talk, Therefore, Om Sahna Bhavatu. Om means hello, starting that. And Om is for Manglik also. It is very auspicious to chant. So, Om Ushan Havai Vajashravasa. There is stories, very beautiful stories there. What is stories there? Please tell me. Story is there that there was one person. His name was Vajashravasa. Father's name was Vajashravas. Students, Sanskrit students, please note, it is Sakarant Pulling. And the son was Vajashravasah. It is Akarant Pulling. Like Chandramas is there. That is Sakarant. So it will be Chandrama. Chandramasau, Chandramasa. So there was one person, his name was Vajashravas. But his son was Vajashravasa. It is Akarant Pulling. Oh. I'm not understanding. Don't worry. Achha. But why his name was Vajashravasa? Vaj means annam, food. Shravas means fame. He was known for donating lot of food. Oh. Vaj means annam. Taddan nimittam shravo yasya sa Vajashrava. So his name was Vajashravas because that means it was a Vedic lifestyle which was meant for sharing. He lived a very Vedic lifestyle. What is Vedic lifestyle? He used to do a lot of yagya yagadi. So there are panch yagnas were there. 5 yagnas were there. What are the 5 yagnas? Huh? Guru yagya. Brahma yagya. Pitra yagya. Dev yagya. Bhut yagya. Manush yagya. What are those yagnas? There are 5 areas which involve sharing. Because you are receiving from 5 areas, therefore you have to contribute in 5 areas. The logic is this. Well, if you don't contribute in any area, that area will be deprived in your life slowly. Well, but what is this yagnas? Please tell me. I will tell later on. Wait. So Vajashravas means he was living a life in which lot of giving was involved. It was not the consumer society was not there. Oh, consumer society. How much I can take from everybody. So his son was also Vajashravasa. Vajashravasa. He had one son. Who? This Vajashravasa had one son. His name was Nachiketas. Nachiketas. My time is over now. We will see more in the next class.